I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise. Now this technique exercise, I'm going to be honest, is better done with more than one person. This would be something like if you wanted to bring this to your class, if you teach tap and you wanted to bring this to your class and say, okay, group 1 you're going to do this part, group 2 you're going to do this part. Because we're creating a counterpoint today, or also known as a cross rhythm. 2 rhythms happening at the same time that fit together and create one macro rhythm. This is one of my favorite things in the world. I have a degree in music theory, and one of the things that I studied more than anything during the entire degree was counterpoint. I think I took like 3 or 4 classes just in counterpoint alone. I love the concept of melodies and rhythms coming together stacked to create one beautiful rhythm, or one beautiful melody, as it were. So today we're going to be doing an A, B, and a B, A kind of counterpoint rhythm. If you teach, feel free to bring this to your class. Don't forget to credit where you got it from. And if you just want to try it with a friend, like let's say you don't teach, but you want to try this rhythm, A, B, B, A, with a friend, great, awesome. Teach your friend, and then if you put a video together and you put it on the internet, tag me because I want to see this rhythm put together. Please, please, please. This is actually an excerpt from one of Rhythm Theory's new dances. But I thought I would take a little excerpt of it and give you guys a counterpoint today. So let's talk about the steps in it. It's not too difficult. This is like, I feel like any level above advanced beginner can do this. Maybe intermediate, maybe it'd have to be intermediate, but depending on the speed that you do it with, or if you switch out the riffle for a shuffle, it can be done at any level. So it's a really great exercise for keeping to your own part, but also paying attention to the parts that are happening around you. Fantastic exercise for that. So I'm going to teach it to you in A-B order first, and then I will show it to you in B-A order. So in A-B order, it is step, clap, clap, ball change, step, spin, kill, step, spin, kill, step, spin, kill, toe. So the rhythm goes 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So it has a little bit of a syncopation to it. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So it's 1, 2, 8. And yes, we are clapping and tapping at the same time, which is going to make a really, really fun rhythm, but it also can be very difficult for people to do. So give yourself a learning curve if you're having trouble putting the steps and the claps together seamlessly, because that can be a little difficult. So it goes step, clap, clap, ball change. Ball stamp, really. So you're going stamp, clap, clap, ball stamp. And it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So you're holding the and of 1 and 3. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Good. Your left foot is free. You have step, spin, kill, step, spin, kill, step, spin, kill, toe. So it's drawback starting with a step. Step, spin, kill, step, spin, kill, step, spin, kill, toe. So you have 3 step, spin, kills. 1, 2, 3, and then you finish it with the toe. So just that last part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So putting the 2 together, it's step, clap, clap, ball change, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you do it twice through. So let's try it together twice through, and I'll count it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So that's part 1. That's A. You do it twice in a row. The B part, you can substitute a shuffle for a riffle. We're going to do riffles for the purpose of this video, but if riffles are just one of those things you're not at yet, you haven't tried it yet, you haven't perfected it yet, and you don't want it to mess up the rhythm, just do a shuffle. No big deal. So you have step, riffle, heel, step, riffle, heel. 1, 2, and 3. So a riffle is a brush, stuff, brush, just to remind, but it could be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It could just be shuffles. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. But if you're doing the riffles, it's 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and. So really work on the angle flexibility. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and. Then you finish it off with stamp, clap, clap, ball change. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. So it has the same stamp, clap, clap, ball change as the A part. It just happens at a different time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. So let's try that together. 5, 6, 7, go. Good, one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Good, then your left foot's free. This time, for this part, you do it on the other side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. So let's try that. Step, riffle, heel, step, riffle, heel, stamp, clap, clap, ball change. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Kind of. Left side. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Awesome. So let's do A-B. So let's do A with the. Then we switch. So we do A twice, B twice, right, left. Okay? Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4 and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Awesome. So that's AB. Now let's do BA. So you start with the step riffle, and then you go into the drawback section. So let's try that. So let's do it opposite. So it's going to go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Left side. Then. So it has that clap section to clap section. All right? So let's try it from the riffle section, okay? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7. All right? So if you take both of those and have two groups going at the same time, it creates the coolest rhythm ever. I'm gonna see if I can use a backtrack to be able to splice them together and show it to you. So let's do that. It's a good tempo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do both parts at the same time. And you can follow whichever one you want to follow, but You're gonna hear the way that both parts fit at the same time, and you're gonna be able to pick which one of me you wanna go with so that you can do one of those parts. Or if there is more than one of you in the room, each of you can have a different me to follow. I'll count you in on both screens, and hopefully this will work. I am planning this before I tried editing it, so let's see how this functions. But if nothing else, I have a professional video editor in the house who can handle this for me. So there's that. Let's give it a try. It's a good tempo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Of fun to try, and I hope that the editing worked out. If you want to do it more than one time, just rewind and keep doing it. I love this. This is actually a snippet of a 4-part counterpoint, but just for the sake of the ease of learning and starting to put counterpoint on this channel, I decided to just do 2 parts. I hope you had a lot of fun with it. If you want to see more counterpoint, let me know in the comments. And it's one of my favorite things to create. It's a signature of my company's to have counterpoint in almost every dance. So if you watch the company's videos, Rhythm Theory Tap Ensemble and Noise Complaint Tap Dance Theater, if you watch our videos, you'll see a lot of multiple parts happening at the same time. So go check out our videos if you want to see more, but if you want me to teach more, comment below. Also, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the Tap fam. I've got technique exercises like this. I've got step tutorials, choreography tutorials to really fun music, all levels, all the time, and it's all free for you. So if you want free tap class, this channel is where you get it. So make sure that you subscribe, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Thumbs up for the editing on this video, so hopefully it went well. So thumbs up for that, but also hitting the thumbs up tells YouTube that people like this video, so it helps other people find free tap dance content as well. So thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.